Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the photo button, go to the gallery, select a photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the red color, another button down, adjust the photo, and then select the photo button, go to the gallery, select another photo, remove the background, select the red color, another button down, adjust the photo, save the photo, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation, then select another photo, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the photo, then select another photo, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the photo, change the background, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.